For homeowners in Carencro, Louisiana, the weather can be unpredictable: hot, humid summers followed by chilly winters. In this kind of climate, your home's windows play a bigger role than you might think. Old, drafty, or poorly sealed windows can cause your heating and cooling systems to work overtime, which shows up in the form of higher monthly utility bills. The good news? Proper window replacement not only improves the comfort of your Carencro home but also leads to significant savings on energy costs. Why old windows cost you money? Many Carencro homes still have aging single-pane windows or windows with worn-out frames and seals. These older windows allow conditioned air to escape and let outside air seep in. That means your air conditioner runs longer in the summer, fighting against Louisiana's heat and humidity. Your heater works harder in the winter to combat drafts. Increased energy use translates directly into higher monthly utility bills. In fact, the U.S. Department of Energy estimates that heat loss and gain through windows account for 25 to 30% of residential energy use. How proper window replacement makes the difference? Replacing your windows is an investment, but it pays off quickly when done correctly. Here's how proper replacement helps lower your energy costs in Carencro homes. Energy-efficient glass options. Modern replacement windows feature double or triple pane glass with insulating gases like argon between the panes. This acts as a barrier, keeping cool air inside during hot summers and warm air inside during cold snaps. Low-E coatings. Low emissivity. Low-E coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter your home. For Carencro homeowners, this means less solar heat gain during the summer, reducing the load on your cooling system. Proper sealing and insulation. Even the best windows won't perform if they aren't installed correctly. Professional window replacement ensures that frames are sealed tightly, blocking drafts and preventing air leaks. This airtight fit is crucial for reducing wasted energy. Frame materials built for efficiency. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are popular in Louisiana because they resist warping and humidity and provide excellent insulation. Wood frames, while beautiful, require more maintenance and can let in drafts if not properly maintained. The utility bill savings. With proper window replacement, many Carencro families report savings of up to 20 to 30% on their heating and cooling costs. While the exact savings depend on the size of your home and the condition of your old windows, most homeowners see a noticeable drop in energy bills within the first year. For example, a family paying $200 per month on utilities could save $40 to $60 monthly. Over the course of a year, that adds up to hundreds of dollars in savings. Over a decade, those savings can cover a large portion, or even all, of the window replacement investment. Additional comfort benefits. Lowering utility bills is just one part of the story. Proper window replacement also improves the comfort of your Carencro home, eliminates hot and cold spots caused by drafts, reduces outside noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful environment, protects your furniture and flooring with UV-resistant glass that blocks fading, boosts your home's resale value, since buyers look for energy-efficient features. Why professional installation matters. While DIY replacement might seem tempting, small mistakes in measurement or sealing can cancel out your energy savings. Professional installers in Carencro take precise measurements for a snug fit. Use high-quality sealants and insulation. Ensure compliance with building codes and energy standards. Provide warranties on both labor and materials. This professional touch ensures you get the full return on your investment. Final thoughts for Carencro homeowners. Proper window replacement is one of the most effective ways to lower utility bills, improve comfort, and add long-term value to your property. By choosing energy-efficient windows and relying on expert installation, you'll enjoy immediate savings and a more comfortable living environment year-round. It's more than just an upgrade, it's a smart investment in your home's future.